Mr. Mirisim was accompanied by the Chief Executive Officer of Oktedi Development Foundation, Ian Middleton, and other dignitaries who welcomed the Teleformin way. He said he will take deliverance of the sawmill later, but warned individuals not to claim ownership over it. It belonged to the community. With Hiliptamin being the first to receive a sawmill, Mirisim said he will give out sawmills to all LLGs in the district to make service delivery easier.
All school by come, 8 posts by come. Lating tin mami, milakim all the habla telephone masa at work what sawmill. So time me putting money on one place. All you can cut it timber na put in 8 post, school, bridge, all the something all you make it.
He said the mill had a potential to bring in a lot of money and people should value it. Other development plans for the electorate include digital towers, which will enable schools to access internet and other services using solar power, which was also announced by the OTDF CEO, Ian Middleton, on the same day. He also announced that from the first 2 million kina of DSIP funds received this year, he has committed 1.5 million kina to assisting Teleformin students attending tertiary institutions around the country. He then presented checks worth 40,000 kina for 2 projects in Hiliptamin. Ruth Rungula, National MTV News.